The first step in our software installation process is the License Administrator software. So we'll go to Windows Explorer, locate the file where we've stored all of the software that we have downloaded, and we see the Device Administrator, Build 938, the original release. We'll click on that. Device Administrator, next. And now we have the Device Administrator Build 938 installed. We'll go to Service Pack 1 here. We'll move this over. There's the Service Pack 1. We'll double click on that. That's a hot fix. So now we have the Device Administrator installed at Service Pack 1 to version 1.3. Our next step is to install the license file. We will go to All Programs, Schneider Electric StruxureWare, Building Operation 1.3, to the License Administrator program. The program that we just recently installed launches. We'll go to the Licenses tab. We'll hit the down arrow. We're going to add a license from a file. This is what employees of Schneider Electric do. Okay. This should bring up the browser window. We go find the license on our hard drive that we downloaded from the extranet. Got everything in the Startup Training folder. And there is the local trial SBO 2013-0430 ASR. So this is the date structure for when the license expires. I highlight that, click Open. It activates the license. We say Close, and we restart the server, and we are finished. So now the license file is installed. The next step in our process is the Device Administrator. So we'll go and launch Device Administrator Build 938. Okay, now we have the Device Administrator Build 938. Let's do the Service Pack 1. And that concludes the Device Administrator portion of our software install. The final element here is the workstation package. Please note we have Build 938, the basic release for 1.3, and we have Service Pack 1 for 1.3. I'd also like to point out the file sizes over here. You'll see the Service Pack is about 30% smaller than the original build, so it is not a complete replacement, but it is an addition or a hot fix to the basic 1.3. So we'll begin by installing the 1.3 base load, or Build 938. You'll notice here we have some choices as for engineering tools. I do not have Visio on my computer, so we will not do Workplace Tech at this time, but we will install the graphics editor, script editor, Menta, and function block editors. We are installing on this computer, which is the local host. That concludes the installation of build 938. Now we'll go and do the service pack. Same comments here, doing exactly the same as we did with the base load. Now we're upgrading our current version to this build number. It warns you that certain files are going to be uninstalled, but user data will be preserved. Start the install process. First, we have to uninstall files that will not be reused. Okay, this is going to take a few moments, so I'm going to put the recording on pause just to save time. Okay, the uninstall is complete. A couple of minutes have transpired. So now we start the installation of the new files from the service pack. Once again, I'll put the camera on, pause for just a moment. We're completed. Click Next and Finish. And we now have Workstation installed on this computer up to and including Service Pack 1 of version 1.3. And that concludes our demonstration of software installation.